Hi guys, so after completing the two videos on multiple angles part 1 and part 2, we have come up with our multiple angles part 3. This is specifically for Isc and Cbse purposes. We have already solved around 10 problems on this chapter, so we'll be starting with some new problems of new types. So hope it will be exciting. So let's start. As you can see, problem number 11 has already been displayed on the screen. So it has been said sine square beta is equal to sine alpha cos alpha, and we have to prove some identity, which is cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Okay guys, now what has been given to me? First thing in a trigonometry, anything that is given to you is very important. So as soon as I see sine square beta, it has been given to me as sin alpha cos alpha. As soon as I see this part, something comes or pops into my mind that this can be written like this: 2 cos alpha sin alpha, and I can write sin 2 alpha by 2. I guess that's fine with us. So I can reframe this equation right now by writing 2 sine square beta is equal to sine 2 alpha. Is that clear to everyone? I just had cross multiplied these 2 into with this sine square beta term. Am I happy with this? I guess not, because one thing I have to know, that what I have to prove. The thing that is given to me is good. Now I have already understood what is given to me. What has been given to me was sin alpha cos alpha, and I have converted successfully that sin alpha cos alpha into sin 2 alpha, which is a very important formula of multiple angles which we have been successfully used in this problem. So next is, once I see this 2 sine square beta, I can write this same problem as like this. Can I? I hope I can. So I hope everybody is understanding what I am doing. I have just written 1 minus 2 sine square beta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine alpha. I can do this, because even if you want to, okay, so even if you want to write this as minus 2 sine square beta and minus 2 sine alpha, you can do that, and after that you can just add 1 to both the terms. So that's what I have done over here, nothing else. So this one looks very familiar. Why did I do this? To get cos 2 beta is equal to 1 minus sine 2 alpha. So the basic reason why did I do this was that I knew what has to be proved. I had to prove this cos 2 beta in the left hand side. So now if you see this problem, I have found out the left hand side as 1 minus sine 2 alpha. Now if I go to the RHS part of the problem, it is given to me as, let us check out what is given to me. It has been given to me as 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. So I will write that. So I can write this one as 2 cos pi by 4 plus alpha whole square. I guess that's fine with everyone. Now after this I will write 1 by root 2 cos alpha. I am using compound angle formula. I think everybody is conversant with compound angle formula. Cos A plus B. What is the formula, my friend? The formula is, do you remember? Cos alpha or cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is it. So again 1 by root 2 sin alpha whole square. So this is what I have right now. Next, what should I do? I should use the A minus B whole square formula. So before that, I can take 1 by root 2 common and there is a square. So I can write 2 by 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha whole square. So this will cancel out and I will get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So this part will be 1 minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So after this I can easily write it 1 minus sin 2 alpha, which is equal to cos 2 beta, which I have proved earlier from equation. I can name this as equation 1 and I can say from equation 1. So this is clear to everybody. How did I solve this problem? I hope it is clear. So we'll jump to the next problem right now. Okay. Now we are into our second problem of this session. So as you can see, it has been written as cos 120 minus A plus cos 120 plus A. So this has been given in many books as a problem for this multiple angles, but I guess this can be easily solved by any compound angles learning that we have got. So this is not required any multiple angles concept to solve this problem at least.